This is the town of Nowhere Spatial, USA operates a rubbish waste disposal facility that is overloaded if its 4,911 households discard waste with weights having a mean that exceeds 26.8. For many different weeks, it is found the sample of 49,011 households have weights that are normally distributed with a mean of 26.45 and a standard deviation of 12.87. What is the proportion of weeks in which the waste disposal facility is overloaded? So we're trying to find what percentage of the weeks the sample has an average larger than 28.6. So when we're doing this, our mu is going to be the mu of the sample because we're talking about a sample. And sigma, I should do. Well, that works. And sigma of our sample is going to be equal to the sigma of the population divided by the square root of n. So we are going to use normal CDF. Our lower bound, we're trying to get it greater than 26.8. So this is our lower bound is 26.8. Our upper bound is a big number. The mean of our population is 26.45. And our standard deviation is 12.87 divided by the square root of 4911. We get a proportion of 0.0283. It's low because we're talking about samples. So they should behave a little bit more strictly than than generic members of the population. Is this an acceptable level, or should the action be taken to correct the problem of an overloaded system? So of all weeks throughout the year, I mean, it's overloaded a little less than 3% of the time. I don't know. You could argue both. What happens when it's overloaded? I don't know. But they wanted the answer yes. I probably would have given you credit for no as well if we had a discussion about it. But I think 3% is not that common. Generally speaking, our value for comparison is 5%. So if something happens less than 5% of the time, then we say it's significantly acceptable.